Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. This is a special members-only chat broadcast. We have many members of our channel now. In fact, we have the most highest engaged channel on YouTube when it comes to percentage of people that watch the show live and that are paid members. And that's why this is a membership-only live chat. Only members can chat into the show right now. We're doing Virgin Galactic scalp trading, and we've been improving our position all day. I've now got, I've just sold another 200 shares of Virgin Galactic, taking me down now from 1,900 shares down to 1,700 shares. And I'm just down now 4.72%, which I'm regarding as great. I've now got an average of 584. Let me share with you my live position here. And Seb Dean, welcome to you, one of our members. Thank you very much indeed. It is a members only chat today. The very first one we've done as we've now hit 100 members. Real Ray, good afternoon, Real Ray. How are you this afternoon? Welcome. This is a extra show we've scheduled for Virgin Galactic scalp trading. If you've just tuned in this afternoon, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, and we're trading live. I've done over 15 trades today so far of Virgin Galactic, and we are trying to lower our averages, get ourselves in a position, basically rescue the stock. The stock has continually fallen, and the worst thing you can do is sit on the outside and watch this happen. You have to correct it, and my average now is 584. Remember, just a week or so ago it was 672, so 584 now. I've got more shares than ever before as well. How are you, Mike? Lovely to have you here. This is our very first members only live chat. If you are watching right now and you like what you're seeing and you want to be part of this, you can, but you do need to be a member to chat in the conversation in the live chat. And you can ask questions, you can call in, you can see what I'm doing. And we're doing live scalp trading right now. If you want to become a member, here is the invitation to join. This is a brief show. We will take a break and then come back for the closing bell. But I just wanted to come on because I was trading, and I like to always trade in front of you with what I'm doing. So there we go. We're now at 555. I had quite a pump this afternoon with Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit, two that I like to trade side by side as they share similar resources. Is Virgin Orbit also been coming up? I've sold this position, I've made my profit on it, and I'm waiting to buy it when it goes back down again. All right, so there we go. That's where we are right now with Virgin Orbit. Coming back to Virgin Galactic again. We're now in an uptrend at the moment. If we can hit 580, 590, we will sell another 200, and then we're looking for it to go back down again. Anyway, so that's where we are right now. We're watching it very, very closely, and as soon as we can trade again, we will. Back over to Virgin Galactic. If you've just come on in, welcome to you. Subscriber, ring the bell, gives a thumbs up. This is a members only event this afternoon. If you wish to chat, you need to be a member. So Virgin Galactic, we're focused on it now. We've got 1,711 shares. We only want 1,400 for the balance of my portfolio. That's the number I'm sticking to. We're not looking to anything else. We're trimming off. Here we go. We're going up again. We're down just 4.5% now. The overall portfolio is improving now. In fact, we are green. We've turned a really bad day into a green day. Look, this is my overall portfolio. Nearly 38,000 now. Getting better and better and better all the time. Even though we're trending down, we are improving our positions all the time. Virgin Galactic now showing 557. Our average is 584. Gaining strength now. The volume of the stock right now is 4.5 million. It's about average for our day. We're 8 million average halfway through the day, 4.5 million. It's about average, but you only need a couple of big traders to come and place a couple of big orders, and this stock could change dramatically. And that's why I'm so focused like a hawk on it, and I'm not missing a beat on it. I'm waiting for it to go back down again from my next position. But first, if we can get up to $6, I will be able to sell a couple of hundred shares and then wait for it to go back down, because it most certainly will, until we get that good news, another month or so away before we hear anything out of Virgin Galactic, I would imagine. Cool, I'm a member. Are you, Bill? Members only today. If you're watching, you can watch, but you can't comment. This is for our members only today. This is a special broadcast, as I'm scalp trading, and the opportunities today are massive on Virgin Galactic. I'm increasing my buy-in and sales to 300 shares at a time now. I'm starting to ramp it up. So let's keep our eye on it. The next move now will be around the 580 up to $6. William Wallace, hi, good afternoon, William Wallace. This is a special broadcast just for members only live chat. We're scalp trading Virgin Galactic. That's all this is. We're not doing other stocks right now. And here we go. We started to rise this afternoon, and I did a few more trades. About 15 trades today I've done on Virgin Galactic. Marked as a pattern day trader again, which is not a problem. It's just there to protect you. It's not an issue. If you've got so much money, $25,000 in your portfolio, you can trade a million times a day, but you get marked as a pattern day trader. That is not an issue. It's not an issue at all, but just SEC rules. They've got to warn you you're a pattern day trader. Well, it doesn't matter. Right, we're back in the green again for today. Just 4.72, and we could make that up. If we just pan out again and get a closer look, you'll see that actually we are now down 19.5% on the month, but we're starting to bottom down here now. Over the week, we're down 7.5%. So it's been for a week now. It's bouncing. This is perfect scalp trading, when you can see bottoms of the chart and then you can just bounce off it all the time, lowering your position. I only do this on stocks that I don't mind owning. You know, if it suddenly goes down, I don't mind, because I'm accumulating all the time, and there'll always be opportunities to trim off some along the way. Virgin Orbit as well. We made some money on Virgin Orbit. I'm out of the stock again now, waiting for it to go lower, which it will, I'm sure. Right, 0.18. We've now broken green now. Now, the next position we want to get to is 565 and 568. 568, it was rejected at quite a strong amount. 568, it really fell off quick. So we're looking to see if we can get near the 580. I could sell another couple of hundred. If I scroll down from my history, 545, I sold those. 546. So I've got some 546s. So I have some more shares here. I can sell if I want to. I could sell another couple of hundred shares right now and bring me down to 1511. I don't want to do that though. I want to hold those for a little while longer. We're trying to pull at both ends. We're trying to lower averages, take profits, protect ourselves, take profits along the way. So ultimately, we own the shares for free. That's the plan. So if ultimately the stock goes to $4 or $3, if they're all free stocks, all bought from profits, it doesn't really matter so much, right? So 557. Just 4.5% down now. $450, which is nothing really on a $9,500 investment. If you've just tuned in this afternoon, good afternoon, welcome to you. This is a special live trading broadcast for Virgin Galactic. Welcome to you. So our live position, just waiting for it to turn green again. It's starting to slow down. I scheduled the broadcast because of this volume here. It's slowing down now, so we might not have any more action now. But I'm down to 1,711 shares. I did have 1,900 earlier. If we get a sudden drop to 550, I'll buy another 200. If we get a sudden pump to 560, I'll sell 200. So it's quite a swing there, but it's possible. Hi Esteem over there on Twitch. It's a members only show today, so I can only share the members' messages on the screen and answer any questions from our members. It's a members only live stream today, but you are able to watch through Twitch. Welcome to you. So this will be like a 45-minute broadcast, and then we'll be preparing for the closing bell. I'm watching it like a hawk. Our overall portfolio now is just on a wash right now. Here we are. Looking reasonably okay today, and quite honestly, times like this, I just want to get through a day without losing too much money. Just hold on and survive the hardest of times. I came in on the stock market a year or so ago, right at the top of the market, and ever since I came in, it's been going down. So all we want to do is hold on. Virgin Galactic has now just gone green again. Yeah, Tesla's doing great. It's why I refuse to sell my Tesla. I'm up 30%. I just never sell it. And I'm not a fanboy or anything like that. I get accused of that. It's that I know where this stock is going. It's not even started yet. So absolutely never ever sell my Tesla. I just keep it. And add to it if it ever goes down, but I never sell this because the upside to this is absolutely huge. Anyway, back to Virgin Galactic. That's what this video is all about. We're now at 556. Our average is 584 now. Started with an average of $35 just about 6 months ago. I'm not selling until it goes up, up, up. Yeah, I'm looking to sell that when I retire. And I mean like in 10 years. Okay, now then, we're 557. We're rising again. Chart's getting more interesting. We're an average now. Let me just show you another position here. Okay. Share with you this position here. You can get a better view of what's going on. Okay. $5.58 now. $5.57. Back to the general screen a minute, and you can see I've got 1,711. We're looking to trim off when we get around about the 580. It's completely doable today. My Spce is still at 782. Oh, don't worry about that. The day will come, and you'll wake up one day and we'll be $8, $9 all of a sudden. So don't be concerned with that at all. 558. Got some decent candles coming in, some decent volume. You can see here some decent volume. That was 11:35 this morning. Space should go down again in September 21st. Fed interest rate hike maybe 0.75. Yeah, that's already priced in though now. We're expecting that now. I think no one. This is looking good now. 5.59. I'm up 0.25%. My average is now 5.84. I've got 1,700. I can actually now sell another 200 if I want to. I can sell another 200. It would be pointless at the moment because we are trending up. The overall market is trending up. Looking at my portfolio, it's looking half decent. The volume is looking decent. So I'm just going to enjoy the ride at the moment. But I do need to trim some back. I am overextended. 1,711 is extended. 1,400 is plenty. So I've got 300 left to get rid of. And if I can sell some, if I can get to that 580 and start trimming some and then look for another dip, that'd be great. Let's go back to our Virgin orbit as well. That's still trending up as well. I took my profit already because it is a week. It is week, or 560 now on SPCE. Virgin Galactic with 560. The overall chart is looking good. That's my overall portfolio, up 0.25% now, 38,000. SPCE. We've had a little bit of selling here now in the last few minutes, but we are rising again. $559, $560, it's holding. We can get to 580, we'll sell a bit more. Welcome if you've just tuned in. This is a Virgin Galactic Scalp show, nothing else. And if you've just tuned in, welcome. It's a members only chat. Only members can be in our chat today. Many perks of being members. Just being in a chat today is just one of those. Over 20 reasons why our members are members. We have our cash giveaways on Friday, every Friday. If you'd like to be a member. The invitation is on the screen now. Here it comes. This channel exists for you. I'm here 10 hours a day trading live. 5 days a week. Go back over to Virgin Orbit. We just nipped. There we go. Still going up. Yeah, we are trending up now. I'm not covering the other stocks now until we do the closing bell. We're just doing these two. Up 0.5%. 4 cents a share. Get some perspective. We need to break. We need to break 562. And then we can start trending up again. If we can do that, we've got another 2 cents to go. Okay. Not that all of a sudden it could easily go to 580 in a matter of seconds. There's no news coming out of Virgin Galactic other than hiring at the moment on LinkedIn. Lots of jobs, lots of major positions being created at Virgin Galactic, but no other news than that is going to come out of the factory, I'm afraid, or anything's going to happen automatically. But we keep our eye out, and for any news at all. Okay, if you just tuned in, here's a quick commercial break. Skip the ad. I'll be right back in 10 seconds. Here we go. Okay, we're back again. $560 holding up now. 0.72 up today. So, our next move. Oh, we got a nice big green candle just come in. Here we go. That's a decent sized candle as well. The green candles are starting to get bigger than the red candles. So we're looking more optimistic now into the close. I'm glad you like it. Thank you very much for saying. This is the very first one. I promised you when we reached 100 members that we would have some shows where only members can chat. So this is members exclusive. It's a way of thanking all of you for your continued support. I promised I would do it, and that's exactly what we're doing right now. Virgin Galactic 560. Now we want to push, if we can get through 568, if we can push through that 568 barrier, then we can do well. Come on, 561. It's all part of the plan. Take care of the members, take care of the family. That's what it's all about. We'll continue to do so. We've got half an hour to go, and then we'll take a short break, and then we'll be back for the closing bell. This is a members only event. 561. We're up nearly 1% now. Looking good. Just 3.95% left to go now, and I'll be at a wash. Now here we go. It's the first top now. Okay, it's the first top. Let's keep our eye on the chart. 568 isn't that far away now. I'm not going to sell here yet. There's no reason really why I should sell at this point. But I'm just going to hold for a minute. I've already trimmed off 200. I don't want to trim off any more just yet. So we're looking to get, what we want to see is it break 568. $561. I'm just 3.93 down, just $392 down now. And if we can just get, I can take a profit on the 17 on another 200 shares, 545, 546. Yeah, I bought those at 546. Another 200, 546. It's a decent profit. I could do that because we could trend back down again. 546. What do you think? We're slowing down slightly. 546. Let me put that in and see what that might be. 200 at 1,121. I paid 1,092. So it's a reasonable profit, isn't it? 30 odd bucks. Or there we go. We're pushing up again. We've got another green candle, but the green candle's got smaller this time. So the buy-ins are getting smaller. As we reach that 568, we're starting to get a little bit of it slowing down. So what I'm inclined to do now is for the 200, because no doubt we'll bounce off that and we could come back down again. what we'll do, I think, is at 560. Yeah, okay. I'm going to set a stop trail loss, a trailing stop order, percentage, amount. What are we seeing here? 561, 563. It's 553, 553, 54. 50. It's pretty straight up at the moment. So, trading stop order, amount, 2 cents. No, 3 cents is my lucky number for some reason. 200. 559. Now, I paid 546 for this 200. 546. 546. So it's a decent profit. It's nearly 20 cents a share. And there's 200 of them. So set Virgin Galactic to sell with a 3%, a 3 cents drop. That's 560. And I paid 546. It's a decent profit. I like that idea. It's trending up. That'll still give me 1511. Review the order. 559. Okay. Sell at 559. That's placed. Right. Let's see what we can get out of it. I've made my decision. I could pull it, but I'm not going to. We're going to put some money back in the bank. We're still going to have 1511. And what we want to see now, it's got a 3. Its first stop is 559. It will sell 3 cents lower, but basically whatever it is, it'll sell at 560. Whatever it is, there we go. It will sell at 560. Whatever it is, it will drop 3 cents. So it will sell now at 560 no matter what happens, unless I cancel it, of course. There we are. We're getting another little top. 560. 561. It's our first top. It will sell at 560. Don't. Go on. Keep going up. That's our first resistance. 560. Go on. Go on. Oh, go on. I mean, the moment it sells, the show's over, right? 561. No point cancelling it. I've got to stick to my principles. 560. Let's look at the candles again. No change yet. We want to see 564. It will sell at 560 now. Okay, so the stop trail order is placed. 560. It's a decent profit. It's lowered my average, reduced my risk. It's perfect. We all want to just hold the stocks forever, but that's not how it works, right? We've got to let some go. Okay, 561. One more. We are getting a slight rejection now. I hope it doesn't go sell, just because from your point of view, from the entertainment point of view, hope we can keep it going for a bit longer. But then we're looking for it to drop at 561. 562. That's why I set a 3 cents movement. Right on the button. It will sell at, it will sell at 559 actually. It's 559 it'll go at, so It's 5.59. We've got 2 more cents left in it. It hasn't quite made 5.60. Because remember, the market makers, even if you set it at 5.60, it might need to go to 5.61 or even 5.62 to get 5.60 because the market makers make their bit of money. Right, the good news is the green candles are just gone up in size again, in volume. There we go. So we're okay at the moment. No real selling selling pressure at the moment. Still building. 5.62. It will sell at 5.59. If we can get another push up now, that would be fantastic. I'm making profit on those 200 shares. If you've just tuned in, welcome to our show. It's a members only chat. Anyone can watch, but it's only a members only that can chat and be involved in the actual broadcast. You can call in as well. If you want to phone in, you can call in. I'll open up the broadcast lounge as well. Okay. Broadcast lounge is open. If you want to be on the show, you might want to ask me questions, call in, feel free. Broadcast lounge is open for members only. 5.61. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Give me a thumbs up as well. That would really help the channel grow. Smash the like. So we've got a stop trail order placed now at 5.59. Oh, it's dropping. 1 more cent, I'll be done, and then I can buy it again. It's just about ready to go. 1 more cent, and I'll be gone by 200 shares. Let's look at the candles again. Last volume was decent. 5.61. Holding. We haven't had much uptrend now in the last few minutes. Starting to fall away. Let's see how we can come from here. $5.61. We've got probably 20 minutes left of this broadcast. And then we'll be preparing for the closing bell. Quick commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we're back again with you. 5.61, we're still holding up. There we go. 5.61. Let's check the candles again. $5.60, $5.50. Right, we are trending down now. At $5.59 it will sell. I don't want to, but I will. Obviously, I don't want to. Common sense. But we are trending down. That's the first time. That's why I set a 3-cent stop loss, trading stop loss. Give myself some room for growth. But at the end of the day, take a profit and then we'll do it again. $5.60 at $5.59. It'll be gone. My order now is... it's moved up now. It's moved up to $5.60. I'm surprised it hasn't sold. It's that market maker thing. Right, it's now moved up to $5.60. It's sold. It's sold. There we go. It's sold. There we go. I've just taken another profit there. 1,511. Now we're trading down. There we go. It's going down again. So that's it. There's the first candle. You can see it. It's like I created my own candles. Look, there you go. Right there. right there. That's the biggest sell-off we've had the last 20 minutes. So we're looking to buy it back again now. We made a profit. Now we'd like to buy it if we can. We'd like to buy those 200 around, anywhere around. Well, we paid last time 545. There you go. You can see that the profit I made. Look, 130 bucks, something like that. Not a great deal, but every penny counts. Keep chiseling away. Right, so now we're looking to get it back. If we can get it back at 545, somewhere around here, that would be good. I could set a limit order if I wanted to. Or we'll just pick it up on the closing bell and see how we end up. But that candle was a reasonable size. That selling pressure there. Yeah. Quite reasonable. So 559. So now we're back to 1511. Now I'd like to add 300 shares next time. I'd like to buy 300 shares next time, so we're increasing it all the time. We are literally now on a wash for the day overall on our overall portfolio. Look at that. That's okay. In a day like this, I'm okay with that. And in a day where Virgin Galactic collapsed, I'm okay with that. It's one of the biggest parts of my portfolio. 11% right now, but it's been as high as 18. It's only 11 because of what we've been trending down. But anyway, 560, 559. I'm looking for a nice drop now of 20 cents, and I'll pick up 300. Take me back up to 1811. Robbie Cooper, it's a members only live stream. Welcome to you, Robbie. Mike, welcome to you, Mike. Seb Dean says exclusive. Yes, it is. I like the private members only live stream, only lives. I'm glad you like it. There we go, Seb Dean. Thank you, mate. Right, 560. It's about, there we go, 559. 559. We want to see if we can get a nice drop again. That's what we want. And do it again. Market Profit. Welcome to Market Profit. How are you? This is a members only live stream. We're doing this just for another 20 minutes. It's Virgin Galactic only. We've been looking at the scalp trading from the chart here. And we rode it all the way up from here. And when we hit this point, I set a stop trail loss of 3 cents. And I made about 30 bucks on the 200 shares. Not a great deal, but six more free shares of Virgin Galactic. That's the way I see it. And now it's trending back down, and we're going to do it again. Chart reader, I must be on the wrong channel. I tell you, I've always understood charts. I just value people more than chart bits of chart. Still understand it. I think some people think I'm illiterate or something. He ain't got a clue what you're talking about, which I probably don't actually. But anyway, just a few minutes left to go before we close for the closing bell. We will be back after that. I'll put that on the screen. This is a members only chat. Yeah, it's basically a lunatic. Who let this guy on YouTube? He's got his life savings. He's remortgaged his house. He hasn't got a clue what he's doing. He's barking mad. He's a lunatic. What's he doing on YouTube? Shouldn't even be allowed. Escape from a loony asylum. You've sussed me out. It's like I sussed you out, innit? Market Profit. Discovered that you were living in a tent in the garden. Anyway. If you've just tuned in, this is a special broadcast, Virgin Galactic scalp trading. That's what this video is all about. We've made some profits. We've lowered our averages. We've increased our buying power. You can see how much my buying power has increased by quite a considerable sum, actually, from 8,000 down to 12. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I mean, you know, we all want green days, but it's all about building the foundations. So we're looking now to see it go back down again. The faulty towers of investing. You need a T-shirt that says that in your merch shop. I would buy one. The faulty towers of investing. All right. So if I make the faulty towers of investing, would you buy one? 100%. Because I will make it if you promise me you'll buy one. I'm not going to go to the trouble of making it and you don't. All right? The faulty towers of investing. I'm happy to do that. Happy to do that. But I want a guarantee from you that you're going to buy one. Same price. I'm not going to suddenly make it $5,000 for a T-shirt. You're not committing too much. Yeah, I'll get him to say absolutely 1,000% I will buy one, and then I'll make it $10,000 for the T-shirt. The faulty towers of investing. I like that. It is quite funny. In fact, I'm already doing it now. I'm copying the text that you just used. There you go. Come on, market profit. I'm expecting a yes from you. Don't just say it. 558. There we go. The right thing to do, wasn't it? Made a decent profit. Another 5-6 shares is all good. Okay, let's look back at our chart that we're going from. Yeah, it's another red candle. That's 2 red candles in a row now. So there you go. We're getting some downward selling pressure. Oh, look, he knows all the lingo. He knows all the lingo, this bloke. I thought he was an idiot. The red candles are going slightly. The volume is slightly decreased, but nevertheless, there's selling pressure again now. 2 in a row. It was all green for a while, but there we go. 558. Rob, market profit. You haven't come back and confirmed it. Did you ever hear that guy who promoted Bitcoin BSV? On your channel, can't even remember his name. Oh, Peru. No, never heard from him again. Never heard from him again. But I wouldn't do, would I? Because he banned himself or something. I didn't ban him. He banned himself. Anyway, 559. In fact, he didn't. What did he do? He banned himself. No, I can't remember now. I don't remember now. That's all past history now. 6. We've got 15 minutes to go of this special Virgin Galactic broadcast. If you've just tuned in, it's a members-only event today. Market Profit said, make me a T-shirt with the faulty towers of investing. I said, would you buy it? Oh, what a great chap. He was sending... Yeah, I know. Market Profit. Answer my question. Would you buy the T-shirt? Yes or no? Because after the show, I'll make it. I've got Bill's video to do. I've got Cool Restoration's video to do. And I could make the T-shirt. I need to know, though, to schedule my time at the end of today's show. Right. Right, we're seeing downward pressure now. Virgin Galactic 560, and same with Virgin Orbit. Just a slight I took my profit. I'm out of it again for now. 560. My average now is 584. Okay, we've got more green, more red candles now forming, and the volume is increasing slightly on the last one from the one before. So How about prepays? Thank you very much. How about prepays with a super chat? Yeah, Dexter Sickles. He's got a good idea. All right, then. For the T-shirt. Well, you can't really. You can't. No, you can't really, because you got to place the order yourself. You order it yourself. You know. You have to order it through the website. I mean, I suppose technically, yes. If he does, if Market Profit does me a decent super chat now, then I could use that money to buy him a T-shirt, and I could send him the T-shirt. Oh yeah, technically, yeah. Yes, that's doable. Anyway, he's gone very quiet now. He says, "Make me a T-shirt," and then he went quiet. Just reduce the amount. On the site. I always see what you're saying. It's a bit more complicated than that. But anyway, I appreciate Dexter, you helping me out with that. Virgin Galactic. We're doing scalp trading right now. We're waiting to buy more after the prepay. I got you. Okay. The red candles are slightly increasing. You can see the buying pressure came in, and I decided to sell 200. I've still got 1,511. I've still added to my position. I've lowered my average. I've made some profits. The overall portfolio is, let's have a look. We're at a wash right now. We're just down 0.22, in fact. You never know. The way we're going right now, we could end up green end of the day. 561. We are trending back up again. I've still got 1,511. Or members only for that product. There you go. Members only. Yeah, I could have a secret link. You're right. You could do a secret link. Anyway. I like the way you're thinking, Dexter. Very good. Right, we've got 10 minutes to go, and then I'm going to prepare for the closing bell. This is just a members-only event. Virgin Galactic exclusive event. Thanks for joining me. It's the very first one we've done like this. I appreciate it. We've made some money today from Virgin Galactic. We've lowered our averages. We've protected our position. We've trimmed off the top. We've done all the right things. We've even used a bit of charts, a bit of chart reading. Can you believe it? 0.9. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. If you are watching me on the repeat, if you're watching this later on, you can leave a comment. You won't be able to leave a live chat because this is for the members only. But please smash the like button. We've improved our Virgin Galactic position. We've trimmed off the top. We're looking to buy some more. Very excited about buying some more. Now I've made some profits. I've got some free money that I want to buy with Virgin Galactic. I actually want it to go down. I actually want it to go down. Even though I've got 1,500 shares of it, I want it to go down so I can at least pick up another 100 shares, if not 300, around the 520, 530, 540. At different points around there. Let's go back over to the chart now. We've just got a few minutes to go before we end this live stream. Thank you for being here with me. $5.60. We will be back, of course, in an hour and 10 minutes for the closing bell. This is just a Virgin Galactic broadcast for members only. $5.60. So what we're waiting for now, one of two things. We're not actually looking to sell anymore now. What we're looking for now, we've just made a profit. We're not looking to sell these shares at all. What we're looking to do now is buy another 300 when we drop we'll put, you know, pick probably 100 at 550, another 100 at 540, that kind of thing. That's what we're looking to do. So we're just waiting now. Can't make the stock move. Now, as I get more money and make more money in the future, then we can have more movement, because I can start buying 1,000 shares at a time on a 1 penny move, on a 1 cent move. Me too, down at Space, September 21st, waiting. September 21st, the FOMC report. I thought Jerome Powell was speaking on the 22nd. Just confirm to me, 'cause I've got to schedule that show. The FOMC report, we cover it live. It's one of our most popular events we do on the Day Trader. And I thought it was the 22nd at midday. If it's the 21st, let me know. I believe it's midday, in between our opening and closing bell. That's when it normally happens. And yes, we are expecting a 0.75, and I think the markets are expecting that, so it's priced in. So if we get a 0.5% drop, a 0.5% interest, 21 or 22. Don't come on the Day Trader telling me what's the 21, 20. So I have to know exactly, as the professional broadcaster, as the one responsible for all this, I've got to know exactly the time. You can just rock up as and when. You can just sit down in front of the telly, put your feet up with a cup of tea or a glass of whiskey, whatever, in Market Profits case, and, easy, innit? Someone's got to make a commitment to that time and date. Anyway, let's go back to the candles. We're just a few minutes ago now before we end this. Right, we're seeing a little bit of... let me have a look at that. How... that volume is slightly up. So a little bit of pressure to buy in again. I'll keep my eye on it. That's what I read today. It's hard getting the right information in it. Do you know what? Do you know I find it so hard? Like, to find the CPI report. It sounds obvious, right? But flipping heck, it's all over the place. You're looking through loads of websites. I've got them all saved and tagged, but even so, to get the information quickly. Just 1 second, I heard a bang in the other room. All right. I just heard a bang in the kitchen. It's just my wife smashing the place up. She's cleaning out the sink. We've got guests coming around tonight. And I heard a bang, and I wanted to make sure that she was still standing up. Do you know what I mean? Market, sending me your channel link. You heard it too. Did you all hear the bang, did you? Market sending me your channel link. What happened there? How long this been up? It's just a Virgin Galactic live show. We are ending this in 4 minutes. I've been going for about 45 minutes. It's just, I've been scalp trading Virgin Galactic. I've just sold another 200 shares. That's what's going on. If you didn't see it, Market Profit, sorry, Church, it's because you've not rung the bell on the channel and turned notifications on. I'll show you how to do it. This is how you do it, okay? You click subscribe, go in, you unsubscribe and subscribe again. Turn the bell on. You obviously haven't turned the bell on, so go and turn it off. Go and click none. Look, I'm showing you what to do now. Look, go and click none. Then turn the bell on. All right? So unsubscribe, subscribe, and you can fix that problem. That's probably what you've done. You've not rung the bell. And it's our very first live broadcast for the members only. You couldn't hear me? Yeah, I'm coming through. I am coming through. I just checked it. Yeah, I'm coming through. I just wondered what Seb Dean meant then. Oh, so sort it out. Get your life in order, church. Otherwise, you miss important stuff. We've been using a chart to trade from. And basically, I was bouncing off this position here. I bought all the way through here, sold, and I sold at the top. I sold right here as we got the red candles, and I'm waiting for it to fall back down to 540 again. Man United is up 2-0. Fantastic. Who are they playing? Don't distract me. This is a Virgin Galactic extravaganza. There's people later on who will tune into this going, hang on a minute, what's going on here? What's it got to do with Manchester United? You're going to confuse people. You're going to confuse people. Stop it. People won't know what's going on. Okay. So. And back to the main trading position. Did you... Sheriff? Who's Sheriff? Is that one of the players? I don't recognise that name. I asked who they're playing. Do you mean Sheffield Wednesday? So there you go. You see the selling pressure now. See why I took my profit in Virgin Orbit earlier? And I'm waiting to buy it again. And we're trending down now. I think we're slowly trending down on Virgin Galactic. All right, I'm going to end this broadcast. This was the very first members-only event for Virgin Galactic. Sheriff Europa. Oh, okay. Thank you very much. We'll be back this afternoon. We'll be back in an hour for the closing bell. This was a Virgin Galactic special, members only. So I hope you enjoyed it. I promised I would do it. Ronaldo finally won. Oh, he finally scored. Great, finally. He's getting old though, isn't he? One more look at the chart. So my position right now is going to be, without a shadow of a doubt, I'm now waiting for it to down. It is downtrending again now. The red candles are getting bigger. Going to first successful. What, the members only? You mean this? You mean this live stream? Do you mean, or are you talking about the football? Look, it's perfect. It's perfect. I read it perfect. I think it's coming back down now. I'm going to buy another 200 or 300 on the way down. Thank you for being members. Yes, you were. Thank you very much. Thank you for all being members and supporting this channel. Before I go, though, if it's members only, how come we don't have 19 likes? We've got 19 watching and 14 likes. What, even the members can't like the video now? What's going on? Is everyone getting lazy? Smash the like button. And I'm going to look into my crystal ball. I can see that Virgin Galactic is going to go down a bit more, and I'm going to buy 300 shares of Virgin Galactic. Well, there's a surprise. I know exactly what I'm going to do before I do it anyway. I'm kind of like in control of myself. You know what I mean? As this is the first member chat, I thought I would share a joke. What do you call a pig that plays karate? A pork chop. Is that a good joke? Even on these live shows, we do the happy or the sad joke. I'm afraid That is without a doubt rubbish. Absolutely rubbish. All right, so we're watching Virgin Galactic. I'm going to get off now. This was a Virgin Galactic special. If you've just tuned in, thank you very much for joining us. I'll see you back in just under an hour for the closing bell. By then, I may have bought another 300 shares of Virgin Galactic with the profit I've made, and not completely with the profit I've made, of course. I only made $30. But anyway, thank you ever so much for tuning in. And we don't do credits at the end of this show. This is a special. And that's it from me. I'll see you back in under 15 minutes. And we'll continue trading Virgin Galactic. When we come back, it's the main closing bell of all the stocks. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being members and giving me the most wonderful life that I get to do this every day. With you guys. It's one of the greatest honors ever. How does the moon cut his hair? Eclipse it. Eclipse it. All right. I'll give you that one. All right, enough of this. There's people watching this video later on going, I came in for serious trading. Let me tell you, if you can't have fun and keep calm and enjoy yourself along with the trading, then it's never going to make any money, and you are most certainly in the wrong place, because as Market Prophet said, who's about to buy a t-shirt commemorating the fact, this is the Faulty Towers of investing. But we love it, we're happy, we support, we make money, and we're always smiling. There's always going to be another day, and always look on the bright side of life. Thanks for joining me for this exclusive member special. Wow, it's a first. All the members who come later on, you got to tell them they missed the inaugural premiere. I told you it would come today, didn't I? I made a promise. See you back in a bit. Take care of yourselves and each other. Down goes Virgin. Keep on going.